Hello YouTube, this is my bike check. Okay, I have Colt Deerhart grips, Odyssey mono lever, vert bars, Odyssey elementary V3 stem, premium forks, the new Aaron Ross tires, Tanwell 2.35 front and back, Alienation front rim, G-Sport P-leg, Odyssey linear cable, Odyssey twisted PCs, Property seat, Shadow Conspiracy wedge post, premium forks, Snafu Ola chain wheel, Shadow Conspiracy, interlock, whatever, halfling chain, whatever, Poverty rear wheel, G-Sport P-leg, Diatech brakes, Diatech U-brakes, let's see, and my frame is a Specialized Fuse 1, and that's my bike check.